The purpose of this tutorial is to demonstrate the features of a GSE page on Xenbase. A GSE page can be accessed by clicking a GSE link from the list of search results. On the top of the GSE page, you will find the title, summary, contributors, and experiment type, which are all pulled directly from GEO. The reagent list is from manual curation and links to reagent pages when available. Links to the article pages on Xenbase and PubMed are provided. And finally, links to the GEO series page on NCBI and the Xenbase FTP link that contains all of the process data and associated metadata. The sample table contains Xenbase curated metadata for the GEO samples. In this example, there are 4 samples. Each row combines sample replicates into a single entity. The GSM column identifies the specific samples that were merged together. Control and treatment groups are indicated by indenting treatments under their respective control. You can expand each sample to get more information by clicking on the plus sign at the far right end of the row. When doing this, you get additional information, including the background and manipulation details, including manipulation type, reagent, target gene, stage of manipulation, and treatment area. Assay conditions are also given, including tissue assayed, assay stages, and ChIP-seq antibody when appropriate. Note that when available, there will be links to other pages on Xenbase that provide additional information on specific reagents or gene within the sample, such as morpholinos, antibodies, and gene pages. Simply click on the links for more information. GSM links will take you to an individual GSM page on NCBI. You can view sample tracks in JBrowse by selecting the checkboxes individually or by selecting the Select All box at the bottom of the table. Species are identified to the left of each checkbox. Load the selected samples into JBrowse by clicking the box in the upper right-hand corner of the table. Navigating GEO samples in JBrowse has been previously described in other Xenbase tutorials and will not be covered here. Going back to the sample table, on the 4th sample, there is a DEG link for differentially expressed genes. Clicking on this link brings you to a table of differentially expressed genes compared to the control for the given sample. At the top of the page, the control and experiment are defined. Notice that this is a treated sample with the control being an unmanipulated animal cap explant. The table is filtered by absolute log2 fold change, false discovery rate, also known as adjusted p-value, transcripts per million in either the control or the experiment, and the maximum number of results to return can be adjusted. All of these values can be adjusted by the user. Also note that all results can be sorted by a desired column by clicking the arrow to the right of the label that you wish to sort by. Note that the table can be downloaded by clicking the Save to CSV button. To return to the GSE page, click the link in the upper left-hand corner of the page. This completes the GSE page tutorial.